Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create automation in Monday.com. So, the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. And here, if you want to create any sort of automation, then what do you need to do? Let's open a project. Let's get started with the automation. We're going to click here on automate. And once when we do it, there are two types of automation that we can create. One is the custom automation, and the other one is the second automation that will be done for you, like a template automation kind of a thing. So uh, these are template automations that you can use when an item is created. Assign creator as person. When status changes to something, notify someone. When date arrives, notify someone. So these are the basic automation templates, the automatic automations, you can say that. And if you want to make an automation of your own, you need to click here, custom automation. So like I said before, an automation consists of a trigger and an action to that trigger. Once the trigger is triggered, then the action is going to be uh, then the action is going to take place. So we need to assign a trigger and an action. So let's get started. When an item is created, so this is the trigger, notify someone. So you can notify someone, you can add a specific person that you want to add. If we go with team member and select this. So when an item is created, then notify Bondu Khan. So this is the trigger and this is the reaction or action to that trigger. We can also add conditions to this automation. Like if we add a condition, uh, this status is, no, we need to add a status column for that. So we can't do that. Let's select another. When an item is created and only if item is in this particular group, then notify Bondu Khan. So that's how you do it. Uh, email items. Okay, we're good with that. We can also do one more thing. We can add an action as well. Yeah. So this is an action we have added, and this was a condition that we added to our trigger. So when an item is created, and only if item is in the email items, then notify Bontu Khan and then set status to something. Like we can set the status to anything we want, like completed or uh, still working. You need to set a status bar separately on your board for that. But I was just trying to explain how do you play with these things, how you play with these conditions and make the automation much more according to your needs. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.